Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today I'm checking out the only unmanned train station in the urban side of Tokyo. I am currently here at Kitasenju Station and I'm going to be making my way to that train station from here. This is the train I'm going to be taking and it's heading towards Minami Kurihashi.
事故防止のため急停車する場合がありますので、お立ちのお客様はつり革または手すりにお使わりください。Thank you for using the total line. This is a local train bound for Minami Kurihashi. The next station is Nishiarai. Please change here for the Daishi line.
Okay, I have to transfer to the platform for the Daishi line. There it is. Wait, there's a ticket gate even though it's on the same Tobu line? Do I just tap it? Okay. I wonder why there's a ticket gate. And just when I said that, the train for the Tobu Daishi line is here. And this is a one-man train too. I said two. That's because the last video I filmed was the Kita Station and that train was also one man. The Tobu Daishi line only goes to one train station and that is called the Daishimae or something. That was like a 2-minute train ride, I think. The Tobu Daishimae is 1 kilometer long, so it is 0.1 kilometers longer than the shortest train line in Tokyo, which is the Keio Keibajo line. We are here at Daishimae Station, which is in Asachiku, which is one of the 23 wards of Tokyo. This station is quite big. For a train line that's only 1 kilometer long, I feel like stations on the short train lines in Tokyo is quite big. Let's go downstairs. There is a Oni, is that an Oni? Where's the exit? Oh, there's the exit. Oh, there's 2 exits. One exit here and another exit here. And what I noticed is that, oh, there's no train gates, like ticket gates. It's just this? I can just leave like this? Oh, okay. Oh, I think that's why there was a train gate at Nishiarai Station. It's because there's no train gates here. And I think it deducted the train fare from Nishiarai Station to this station at that ticket gate. So I can just go in and out the train station without feeling bad. Oh, this is kind of fun. Oh, it says over here, お願い。当駅では切符の販売は出しておりませんので、そのまま乗車して西新井駅で待って、お止めください。Ah, frick. I think this is the main sign for the station. Yeah, it says Daishimae Station. This train line is mainly used to get to the Nishiarai Daishi Temple. Since we're here, might as well just walk around the station and we can find that temple. Oh, I think this is it. Oh, the train sign on this side looks fancy. Fancy is not the right word. It looks more traditional. Here is the map. Nishiarai Daishi Sho something Kai. So this is the temple. Where are we? It doesn't say where we are. Okay. Cool, I guess. I guess if we walk here, we'll be closer to the temple. Oh, wow. There's like a garden area on the left side. And then there's another temple on the right side. Wait. Oh, is this not the main temple? Maybe it's this one. Wow, that's quite big. There's the big temple here, and then on this side, there's like a pond section Oh, they're ducks. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, there's two more over here. It says don't feed any of the animals here. Okay, got it. I have nothing to offer except my camera. And I don't think you'll enjoy my camera. So, shoo shoo. Oh, look at those ducks. They're definitely having a good time. It's so hot. I wish I can swim inside here too. Not really. It doesn't look clean. Oh, this one's running over here. Oh. Where are you going? Where are you going? Yeah, you're just chilling. Oh, the duck is on land. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh, where'd he go? And then that's probably the mom. There's that big fish just chilling. And then on this side, seems like they're getting ready for the summer festival because these are like the food stands. The one left side says kakigori, shaved ice. Left side says konjaku. I don't know how to translate that. Konjac? Konjac? Is this tama konjaku? Okay, I actually know what that is. Yamagata meibutsu, one of Yamagata Prefecture's specialty food, apparently. Oh, I guess I'll just exit out here. I'm walking past this street and I see a lot of kusadango. Or kusadanchi? Kusamochi? Kusamochi? Yeah, kuzumochi? Maybe it's their specialty food. Should I try one just for fun? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna get one. Okay, I got it. It says Nishiarai Daishi Meibutsu. So popular food here. And it says kusadango. Alright, let's try one. Just red bean paste, and I guess I gotta like stab it onto this dango right here. Oh shit, but it's good. This was 550 yen. I think it's gonna fill you up because it's pretty much like a rice ball. What's also clutch is that there's a 7-Eleven right across it. So if I'm like thirsty, I can just get water over there. I forgot the specific reason why, but for konbinis nearby temples, there's no color on the sign. Yeah, it's just black and white. Well, here's the name of the store. I'm gonna put this place in the description. I finished all of it. It was really good. Again, yeah, this is the one I got. The 12 piece one. Oh, いいですか? すいません、ありがとうございます。美味しかったです。ありがとうございます。That was nice of them. They have other things too, it seems like. Yeah, they're all like Japanese traditional snacks or traditional sweets. Here's a cool gate. It says Nishiarai Daishi. In the middle it says Omotesando. I don't really know what Omotesando means. Whenever I hear or see this word, the first thing that pops in my head is the one near Shibuya. Oh, I like the overall vibe around here. I wonder how lively it is during the weekend or not. There's an interesting store here. The sign looks all beat up, but it says Kadoya. What kind of store is this? Oh, it seems to be like a shaved ice store. I think from here it's just like a normal area. Oh, and then over here too, there's these orange juice vending machine. And if you pay 350 yen, you'll get freshly squeezed orange juice. Kadoya is so intriguing. I'm so full, so I'm not gonna get it, but yeah, it's like a vibe in a different way. Look at this store. Damn. A restaurant selling tonkatsu, hidekatsu. Oh, that sounds good. I should have came here during lunchtime. I could have got something to eat here. Police box over here. So you'll probably be there if you mess up. There's Chokozap, which is an unmanned gym, and it's known to be pretty cheap, 2,900 yen per month. That is considered cheap, everyone. Here, yeah. Okay, I don't think unmanned is the right word. There's just no staff. But because there's no staff and it's cheap, that increases the chance of the users being like not the best. So I heard that some of the machines are broken or like people don't wipe their sweat after. So it can get like pretty dirty. The average price for gyms seems to be anywhere between 5,000 to 7,000 yen per month. That is pretty expensive. Okay, well, I'm back at Daishimae Station. And I'm gonna be heading back to Nishiarai Station. So before filming this one, I actually filmed a video about the Chiyoda line. That's a one-man train, and it also has 3 cars just like this one, and it also only goes to 1 station. So if you want to check that video, go ahead, check it out over here. And thank you for watching.